Hey guys, welcome back to my world. This is Kajal Kohli, and today is very exciting day because I'm gonna share with you something which is going to be happen on a Christmas. We have planned something to play some game. I think I'm gonna share with you after a while because we're on ground floor, and after that we are taking our lunch, and then during that time I'm gonna share with you that what is going to be happen on 25th of December. So stay connected, guys. Yes, guys, as I said earlier, that I am sharing with you what is going to be happen on 15th of December at my office. It's all about the game which has been shared with us uh, from our seniors. So they told us that there will be a game where we have to take a slip from the bowl, and if we take a name of that person, so we particular bring a gift for that person, or we will be a Santa for those people who are in our team where we are working. So this is something interesting about our 25. That is why we are preparing for that. And the most important and good thing is we are going to be in a dress which is a theme. For a girls it's red, and for a boys it's all black. I I'm really excited to see all the boys in black because black is my favorite color. And let's see what will happen on 25th of Christmas. Sorry guys, I'm always making video wearing a mask this way because we are not allowed to remove our mask. Our workplace, and we are not allowed to showing anything inside the workplace where we are working. So that is why I have to make a video inside my office or sometime on terrace or in cafeteria. So this is the only reason. And of course this time I'm also enjoying, and winds is blowing here, cold wind is blowing here, and of course it's the sun which I'm taking very easily, or it's really nice and interesting weather today. What else should I share with you? I think I should make a video on 25th of December because it's going to be interesting, and I'm going to share with you the dress up what I'm going to wear, and my friend as well. uh, let's see. Actually I haven't decided what will be the dress or which kind of things I should do on the day, but it's not planned because we got to know about this plan today in the morning, so I thought I should share with you. Hey friends, let me introduce my new friend. I met with him yesterday, and as you can see,
Hi everyone.
his name is Sai
Sai
Kumar.
Kumar.
Sai Kumar, and from Andhra
Andhra
Pradesh.
Pradesh.
He's really nice guy, and I think I'm gonna show you some new dance or something from him. आज आप पक्का सोच रहे होंगे कि हमारे पास करने के लिए कुछ काम नहीं है, इसीलिए हम फालतू की चीज़ें कर रहे हैं। बिकॉज दिस इज़ आवर लंच टाइम, दैट इज़ वाई वी आर हैविंग फन। तो मैंने अपने एक फ्रेंड से आपको मिलवाया। हेयर आर 4 and 5 फ्रेंड्स आई मेट विद येट। आई थिंक आई एम गोना मीट विद मोर फ्रेंड्स। फिर मैं आपको उसके बारे में बताऊँगी। ओके